lift is going up. Doors closing.
First lift.
Doors closing.
Oh, don't even. First lift I've been to in the UK where I boots.
Doors closing.
Oh, the lighting in here is not very good. So this is a Schindler lift. It's had a generic modernisation. I filmed this back in 2014 when it still had the previous inside buttons, which have now been replaced again with these new Dewhurst. Last time I was here this lift wasn't working, so that's why there was no video of it then. Here we are at car park level 4. Oh, that does not feel good. That does not feel good at all. I think we'll just go down to 0. Yeah, this lift has clearly seen better days. Like I say, it was originally a Schindler. And here we are. God, this takes forever to level and open up.
Doors open.